Hello everyone, here's my latest commission, a peacock. Now I was making mosaics of this design around about 2000. I've made loads of them, so it was very strange to be asked to make one again in 2025. A bit like asking Charles Dickens to rewrite the Pickwick Papers when he's halfway through Bleak House, but never mind. I did enjoy doing it, and I had a really nice client who agreed that they're using the different Marini, albeit with pinks and purples in, rather than all the same, made it more interesting. And we also decided to break up the pink with the ochre, the sand colour here. Gold quills, of course, very nice. He's a medley in pink, really, isn't he? He's feeling very proud of himself. And the accompanying verse endorses that because it goes like this. The peacock. During mating season, I get really bold. My glorious displays a joy to behold. My tail feather eyes are a gorgeous strawberry pink, which makes me even prettier, don't you think?